Here we have a Mercedes W208 CLK dash in for repair. As you can see, the automatic display, time and the outside temperature display are both faulty. Needle removal, twist and lift. Same with the fuel gauge, but opposite way. Remove back cover. Now to remove the faceplate. Peel off this part just below the display. Off it comes. Now remove the black LCD cover held on by catches. Lift the LCDs out of their support. Take off white backing plates. Now take out both backlight bulbs. Okay, now remove the ribbon cables from the PCB board. Now, as you can see, the one here on the left is off to the right. So it has 11 pads to connect with 12 tracks on the cable. So it's offset to the right. Okay, now you have to clean the contacts on the PCB board. You have to be cleaned with acetone or something similar. They must be very clean. All old glue must be removed. As you can see, we have cleaned the time and gear display side, and this side has not been cleaned yet. You can see the difference. Right, now we are going to take the cable off the LCD display. Just peel it off. Get a credit card or something similar and clean the glue off the LCD. Right, run some tape on the back of the new cable. Line it up on the LCD. Stick tight. Get a sharp knife. installed that part of tape on the front of the glass. It sits low enough down so you won't see it. Put tape on the other end of the cable and stick it down onto the PCB board. Now you want to trim the tape round the holes. Two little holes there that need to be cut, and the bulb. This is why you need a sharp knife. Put the bulb back in. Put the white backplate cover on. Remember to put the diffuser in, mat side to the front. Okay, now completely finished.